One of the craziest things about the internet is that it completely removed any sort of age requirement for making money online and building a successful business. Of course, you know, for some things you have to be 18 plus, but I'm gonna show you this video right now about this 20-year-old that makes $4 million per month. I believe dropshipping, I'm actually not exactly sure. This is a video by my friend Jordan Welsh. He's one of the biggest YouTubers in the dropshipping, e-commerce business kind of space. So I think this is going to be amazing, and I'll add some of my commentary in it to give you my opinion on some of these things and try to learn something. So let's get right in it.
I flew all the way to Spain to meet with some of the richest dropshippers in the world and learn. I flew all the way to Spain to meet with some of the richest dropshippers in the world and learn exactly how they made their millions. How are you doing, brother?
That's actually pretty exciting. This guy's such a beast. Jordan makes the best videos.
Hey, bro. Thank you for having me.
Definitely.
Pleasure to be on your video.
So 2 questions for you. How old are you, and how much have you made with e-commerce?
I don't want to brag, but I'm 20, and I'm the best involved with the brand. I'm very open sharing the brand. We sell glowing balls, but there's been 4 million euros in one single month. Best day also 300K in one single day.
Wow.
So you made $300,000 in a day at 20 years old selling what?
It's been everything. Glowing soccer balls have been our best seller, but
glowing balls. That's so funny. That's such a random winning product, but that makes sense because it's so good for content. Any product that's really good for content can blow up like crazy.
I started this brand 4 years ago when I was 16 still. Was bad broke, but the only thing I had was a burning desire to get rich. Saw these products were coming up in USA. I saw the opportunity, brought them over to Europe, scaled them over all over the world. And I mean, last year we had the World Cup, we had Black Friday, so the wind was behind our backs. And we positioned ourselves to scale this brand to over 4 million in one single month.
So you made your first $1 million with Shopify while you were still in high school.
Yes.
How did you find this product?
I mean, like I said before, I saw this product was coming up in the USA. They already have proof of concept. I literally just copied the brand, did my own spin to it, brought it to Europe, different market.
He did not reinvent the wheel by any means. That's really smart. I think just taking what already works and adding your own spin is a really great idea.
I thought, okay, I can do this better, but in this country. And it worked out.
Well, congrats to your success, brother. Let's see who we talk to next. So you guys are absolutely killing it in e-commerce. Where do you guys come from? Where are you from?
The Ecom Brothers.
And we are from the Netherlands.
By the way, if any of these people in the video are watching this, you know, if you want to connect with me, hit me up.
Parents, they come from Iraq. So
I would love to.
They are immigrants.
So now after doing this together for a couple years, how much have you guys brought in sales?
Yeah, in total we did like 20 million.
You told me that you had just started a new store like 3 months ago, right? How is that going?
We just started 3 months ago and we already done 1.6 million in revenue.
This is light though.
Amazing.
You've been doing
500K
this now for
profit
consistent
too.
time period. What was it like when you were first starting? Was it hard? Did you guys run out of money? What type of challenges did you run into?
Like in the first couple of months, we were actually losing money. We tried to spend money on ads, but we don't get any sales at all. So I think we lost in total 10 or 15K. That was like all our life savings. And at the last 300, yeah, something happened and we were like, yeah, making sales. And what I want to share also, my parents didn't know for more than 1.5 years because we were both studying. We were doing very well on the university. Like Abbas was even like finished the bachelor as #1 of the university.
Wow.
At electrical engineering.
Wow.
Yes. So, and we keep the secret.
They're smart.
Till the moment we retired them. So the moment we could like retire them, we told them, hey, it's like you're done. We're gonna provide for you. We have our own company, and they didn't believe us for almost a week after that. Yeah.
A lot of people give up in those first 3 months.
Yeah.
What made you guys keep going?
So what for us worked was that we saw online people that were already successful. We get inspired from that, and that's what always kept us moving.
What's one final piece of advice you would share?
That's actually really wise. You know, if there's other people out there that are achieving something that you want, chances are you can probably do it too. I mean, just analyze their steps and follow through and don't give up. It really can be that simple.
To somebody that wants to start their own store.
The most easy product, let's say, is like you're solving a problem for the customer, you know, or something that's like going viral at the moment. Just look what other people are doing, try to learn from them, try to copy them, and then you can, you're gonna make your first sales easy.
I think it's the best piece of advice. That was the thing that changed the game for me. And I want to ask, you guys weren't the first ones to sell these products that made you 20 million, right?
Of course, yeah, definitely. We are like, especially we got the advantage in the AU market, so we were looking what people are doing in the USA and bring it to AU.
Well, congrats on your guys' success.
Wow.
On to the next one. Listen, before we continue, I need to tell you something. Everything you've heard about dropshipping is wrong because it's not what it used to be. The days of shipping crappy products from China that take almost 3 months to arrive are long gone. And if you try to do this, you will fail. The reason why everybody in this video was successful is because they understood this. And in fact, With the right tool, you can dropship products in under 1 week. And without a
Whoa.
doubt, nowadays, the best tool for this is called AutoDS, which is actually the sponsor for today's video.
I've never tried AutoDS.
AutoDS allows
Let me know if anybody watching this has tried it and what you think
you
of
to
it.
dropship without all the headaches. They have a massive library of over 100 million products that can be shipped anywhere
100
in just
million
1 to
products?
5 days. On their app, you get direct access to some of the best suppliers in the US and China and can directly connect them to your store in a matter of seconds with just 1 click. The best part is any product that you find on the internet, they can source it, ship it, and even customize it with your own branding for your business. And once you finally start making sales, their app will automatically fulfill your orders for you in seconds, which will save you a ton of time and allow you to work less and enjoy.
I wonder how much money these fulfillment softwares make. I know that Zendrop does really, really well. I remember meeting Jared, the founder, and he said that just through Shopify affiliate commissions from people in the app, he is doing over 200K a month, which is crazy. So I imagine it's multiple millions of dollars a month.
Some coffee in Spain like your boy. So look, I've actually partnered with AutoDS to get you guys your first month on any package for 100% free. So if you're looking to start dropshipping the right way, like all these people you'll see on today's video, I recommend doing it with AutoDS, and you can get access to them for free at the link in the description down below. And it's getting hot out here, so let's go talk to somebody else. So tell the people about how well you've done in your e-commerce journey. You're killing it.
Yeah. I've been killing it and I'm still killing it. I changed like the business model.
I love that.
Started like drop shipping in 2017, 2018, and I did close to 10 million in
Yo,
sales.
is that a Capital Club lanyard right there? Dang. So, oh yeah, this is from the Capital Club event. I forgot.
I stopped counting like last year, but I did like in 2021 was my best year. It was almost 5 million.
Wow, congratulations,
Thank
bro.
you.
It's really insane because he came up to me here at this resort and told me that he got started with dropshipping and he was watching my videos at the beginning. And now to see that you've done over 8 figures, that's congratulations.
Thank you, man. Thank you very much.
Tell me about the journey of going from 0 to over 8 figures. What was it like starting for you? Did you have a lot of money to begin with?
When I started, they froze my bank accounts. I had like literally no money. I was in debt, 7K in debt. I was just like
Ouch.
in a very bad place in my life. And I had a 9-to-5 job. My job was physical therapy, so I'm licensed to treat people. But that's how I started, man. I started with like a lot of money in debt, and I was like going to my girlfriend. I was like, can I borrow some little money for this course? Because I think this will change my life and this will help me reduce the debt. And she was like, okay, I will trust you. COVID hit, and when COVID hit, all the physical therapists needed to go to home because like we were not allowed to work. It was 6 weeks, and in that 6 weeks I did like my first 200K in revenue in 6 weeks, and that changed like my whole life. I think I was debt free in like maybe 1 year, so all the debt was gone. I stopped working with my 9-to-5 job, and that's when I saw like how compounding time is. Like I got away from a 9-to-5 job and I went to like 700K a month in the first month being fully entrepreneur.
$700,000 in a
amazing.
month. What type of products did you look for in your journey? What type of products have you had success with?
And it was like in May 2021, people started to go out more outside, wearing flip-flops or wearing sandals. And I noticed like I had a problem as well. Callus, I believe. And there's like a device that can remove that, the feet grinder. Everybody knows it, the feet grinder. And I was like, let's use this angle. Hey, do you want to go outside, but you're ashamed of your feet? I got your back. It went so viral because people were like, commenting, fun. And they had the problem. And like, I believe I threw up the ads with like 50 euro ad spend. And the first day we did like maybe already 1K with 50 euro ad spend. I was like, let's bump up the budget. And we bumped up the budget to 30K a day, like in the next day in ad spend. And it was like crazy. I've never managed like so much ad spend in a day.
So if you were starting all over again, is e-commerce the thing you would do? And if so, how would you do it?
It would be like, just solve a big problem, put it in front of the people who have the problem, and you will succeed.
And ask
That's
your
really
girlfriend
all
for
business is all about, to be honest. Just solve a problem for somebody who's willing to pay for it and do that over and over again.
a little bit of money, you know?
Babe, if you're watching, I love you.
All right, brother. Let me
Yo,
introduce
the
you to
man, the
top
myth.
dogs.
Let's get it.
What's up, boys?
Steve, Evan.
Got Jordan Welch in the house.
What's up, bro? How are you?
Damn.
I got some questions for you guys, so let's have a seat. Let's get into it.
All right, let's do it. Join us.
So tell the people how much you guys have done in sales over your e-commerce career.
Over 200 million.
200 million. So can you share the story of how you guys got started in e-commerce and got
These
to over
guys are
$200
legends.
million in sales?
Where I started in 2006 with eBay, then 2008 started doing Facebook ads, and 2009 scaled it.
2008. That's crazy.
store up to about 100K, 200K per day.
That's actually when I moved to the US from Chile. So I didn't even know English back then, and these guys were already drop shipping. That's crazy.
Sorry, not per day, per month. And after that, we transitioned into Groupon, then subsequently get back into dropshipping in 2016. Then from there, we started scaling.
So you've tried pretty much, sounds like, every single platform over the years. Was it hard for you guys in the beginning? Did you have a bunch of money?
Honestly, like I went through the normal path, right? I went through college, everything. So after college, I graduated. I was like, why not me and my brother team up and do something? It was relatively like back then they were saying it's the golden age of dropshipping. So we started, and within I think our second month or first month, we managed to hit 7 figures in our first actually second store.
Wow.
And yeah, I mean, back then, like most of the people are treating it as a hobby, and we started thinking in a long term and start building like teams and structures and scaling it from there.
How many products have you guys gone through over the years? It's probably been hundreds.
And more than that, for sure.
More than
Hundreds,
that.
probably like testing like a week.
Hundreds a week.
Hundreds
How
a
are we able
week?
to identify the right products and the products that have the potential to scale to $100 million plus?
I really like gadgets, electronics, because there's always new products and it's always something that's usable and people can easily share. So one of our biggest winners.
New products. So the category he likes is categories that can have new products often. So electronics and gadgets, and something that people can easily share. So again, things that people can make content with.
Was actually like the color chargers for USB.
Okay.
Yeah, for the iPhones, you can see a lot of colors. Okay. So that one really went pretty well when we got started, and they kind of gave us the kickstart to get things rolling.
That's such
What
a
are the
simple
biggest
product. Like you would not think of that as a winning product.
Mistakes that you see people make when they first start e-commerce nowadays?
Nowadays, I think people spend too much time focusing on one product, right? So for example, they are very emotional when the product doesn't work. They continue pouring money into it.
What is one non-negotiable that you have to succeed in e-commerce? Something that if you're going to make it work, you have to do this.
Resilience. I think dropshipping, it's a matter of testing products, and a lot of people feel like they can find the first winning product at their first go, which is very unrealistic. You might be so close to succeeding, but you never know. You just have to keep pushing. Jordan has some amazing content on business and e-commerce, so make sure to subscribe to his channel.
True.
Thank you guys for watching.
I'm already subscribed. Wow, that was a really good video. I mean, very motivational, right? Like, it's funny because the tactics are not that important. Truly, it's really just having the mindset to keep going, because you know the secrets, right? Like, find something that works, copy it, but add your own twist to it, and just don't give up. That's how you build a successful business in 2024. And what's great about the internet is that you can find so many businesses that are successful and replicate them. And, you know, obviously if you want to be innovative and, you know, just do something completely new, do it. But that's going to be a lot more of a shot in the dark. And that's why personally, I really love the videos that I make where I'm just covering successful businesses and seeing where even they have flaws, right? So that other people can replicate them. And then you can come to me and help scale those businesses. We've been able to scale stores to $1 million a month, working with some great TikTok shops that do multiple millions per month. And it's been really incredible. And that's how I got the idea for this business at Kemi too. I saw some people that were running ads. I realized, wait, I'm actually good at running ads, and I can build a team around this, and we can become the best growth team at this specifically. And that's what we've been doing. But yeah, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed it. Shout out to Jordan, and shout out to everybody watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.